Hey guys, Tasha79 here, and I'm going to be doing Black Ops 2 Zombies today. I'm going to be doing Easy and 5. I won't do Hellhounds now, because I really don't play with Hellhounds that much. I usually do Easy a lot, not often, but today I'm just going to be doing Easy, because I'm doing a Pistols Challenge. Excuse me, Pistols Challenge. So let's just get in. It took me, I usually get the Python as my first pistol all the time. Just gonna wait for it to load. Okay, here we go. But yeah, I usually start around 5. I don't really start around 1 anymore. After this challenge, I may do wall weapons or sniper challenge. Leave a comment down below which one you want me to do, snipers or not pistols, snipers or wall weapon challenge. I've done the wall weapon challenge before and I've gotten to around 21 or above. And oh, another thing. This is not like I have all the maps, like all the DLCs for zombies. So if you guys want me to play like Mob of the Dead, Buried, Die Rise, Origins, I will play those. Just leave a comment down below which one you want me to play. Like any map, I'll play it. Even Transit, can't get that. You know, like any map you guys want me to play, I'll play it. High five. But yeah, I have all the DLC maps, so just list which one you want me to play. Or just tell me in the comments, and I'll play it. Bullet. Good shot. Bullet. Where is he? There. Oh, there's 3 more. Ready? Ooh. And there we go. Let's see if we can get the other pistols or any other things. That's not a pistol. I might use the ray gun or the ray gun Mark II. I don't know if that's considered pistols. I'll try just to use the ray gun because I don't know if the Mark II is considered a pistol. I don't think so. I really don't know. My friend told me it was considered a pistol. No. So, I don't know. Is he dead? Yeah, he's dead. But yeah, like I said, I have all DLC maps. If you guys want me to play any of them, Mob of the Dead, Die Rise, Origins, Buried, just list them in the comments below and I'll play them. Want me to play Grief or, you know, just normal storyline. How'd you not die? You were like right in front of me. Hang on. Oh yeah, I might have changed my name on like the account. Like it says Tash Pasate. I'm going to change it. I'm going to ask my friend how to change it because you know, I want it to be like, I might change it to Ghost Gaming maybe or something else. So, you know, if you want to see more videos from me, subscribe. I post videos almost every day. 2 videos per day or more. I have more YouTube friends, you know. I might start, I'm going to put their names in the descriptions. That's not helping at all. Bye. Yes, let's go over here. Just wait here. I'm gonna stare into this teddy bear's eyes. Oh, he's gone. As soon as I aim my pistol at him, he's just gone. Oh, hello. I should just shoot the box randomly. See if that does anything. It's not gonna help me at all. Wait. It's good to dance to music. Square dancing. You thirsty, partner? Oh. A little more dancing. And there we go. Okay. So shoot these guys. Oh, hello. Wait. I had like 60 points, and I got all the way up to 820. There was this weird glitch when I was doing with zombies. I have another zombies video I'll post, but I'm not really going to post it, maybe, I don't know. But every time, like, my M14, I think it's an M14 or M16, it's that little wall weapon over there. Like, every time I switched from my MP5 to that gun, it would say I have 0 bullets, but when I fired it, it had, like, more bullets. It was a weird glitch. I'll probably post it. I don't know. My next zombies video, may be a challenge or just another gameplay through another zombies map. No. Keep getting nukes. Why? Where's the max ammo? Why is there no max ammo, I think? Come on. Ah, I'll get it. No kaboom sound, nothing. Just that. See if I can go get another pistol. Hopefully I can. And we're gonna have to listen to the jingle. Oh yeah, monkeys. That's kind of good. That's helpful, I guess. Get it again. Come on, give me a pistol, please. Thank you. I don't know, the 5-7s are kind of helpful. Not really helpful, like, I mean, like, they're kind of not that much. Because they're not really that much damage. I mean, if you pack-a-punch them, they're good. But, the non-pack-a-punch version is just awful. I have to say, in my opinion. Some of you might think it's great. It's a little good, but it's just, it doesn't really scream awesome to me. I'm going to leave this clip here and make a new clip, so we don't waste too much time on it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Well, shortly, because I'm going to be making another one. So, bye-bye.